Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an AOSmith brand water heater and it's giving you an E08 error code and you're wondering what's going on and what do you need to get rid of it. So if you're getting this error, this is with the Smart Energy module. So that basically it's telling you that there's an error with the module. So the only thing to do is really two things. There's either an error with a problem, a fault with the module, or a fault or with the wiring going to or from it. So what you can do is just visually inspect the wiring and see if there's any frayed or damaged or disconnected wires going to that module. And if not, the next thing to do is just to replace that Smart Energy module. Then if you do that, then you should be able to get rid of the 8 error and get your water heater working again. So anyways, I hope this video helped you, guide you in the right direction to getting your water heater fixed. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.